I have to say that. इंग्लिश में बोले तो इंस्टॉलेशन इस इंटरनेशनल सोसाइटी है, वो सब ठीक है, लेकिन कृष्ण भाव संस्थापना श्रील प्रभुपादा कृष्ण भावना द भावना न अस्ति बुद्धिर अयुक्तस्य न च अयुक्तस्य भावनः that bhavana Srila Prabhupada very mercifully on the order of his Gurudeva is it today or yesterday?
Yesterday month
60th anniversary है ना?
Yes.
Okay, आज Ekadasi. So this is the time where Srila Prabhupada has received the message from his Gurudev and Krishna ki yes, अब स्थापित होना है यहाँ Krishna Bhavana. That auspicious moment was during this time. Srila Prabhupada, when he was doing that years ago, that is still continuing, that Krishna Bhavana Samstapana in our hearts. Srila Prabhupada is still doing that. So apparently it was started there, but it is going on, it's going on. So many people, they are getting Krishna. So it's an ongoing thing. Srila Prabhupada giving us, all of us, Krishna, placing Krishna in our hearts. Krishna Bhavana Samstapana. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. ISKCON founder Acharya. Krishna Samstapana, Samstapaka Acharya. Krishna Bhavana Samstapaka Acharya. Antarjatiya Krishna Bhavana Samstapaka Acharya. Abhaya Charanara Vinda Bhakti Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Shakti Veshavatara Senapati Abhaya Charanara Vinda Bhakti Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Just by saying the pranam mantra, Shakti Veshavatara is already empowering us. We belong to Srila Prabhupada. We belong to Srila Prabhupada. It doesn't matter how not so qualified we are. It doesn't matter what we are, but who do we belong to? All that matters is only that. We belong to Srila Prabhupada. We belong to Gurudeva. We belong to the Sandhini Shakti. So, dear devotees, Yadi Prabhupada na hoito. Can we sing that one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Abhi, shall we go ahead, sing that now, or maybe each one of you may please take turns, and if you want to say something, what is your prayer or sankalpa, whatever you like to call it, for this super duper causeless mercy South Carolina Sankirtan Yatra, which we did not expect at all. So, अगर आपको कुछ बोलना है तो आप लोग you may please take turns if you want to do that, and then we will sing यदि प्रभुपाद नहीं हो तो, if there is anything for you all.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
It's an immense mercy which is flowing. I just bow down to this mercy, and the sankalpa is give me the eyes to see this mercy.
Okay. Hare. Yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare
Pranams.
Yes, pranams, ma'am.
I have the same prayers in my heart, Mataji. I want to be able to see the mercy and honor the mercy. That's it. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you.
Hare Krishna Mataji, my pranams.
Hari Hari pranams, Prabhu.
I just want to place my head at the lotus feet of the Gurujana Mataji, and prayer is to come closer to the Namanishta.
Yeah, बढ़िया. Thank you, Prabhu. Thank you for sharing that.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hari Hari Prabhu.
Yeah, I just remember about Prabhupada I heard yesterday.
Yeah.
When Prabhupada was taking initiation, he is already seeing 108 temples in the worldwide, Mataji.
Right.
And the second time also when he came to Boston, he said even he just entered to Boston, one of the devotee asked, what are you doing here? He said, I have 108 temple worldwide. So that's what I pray for Prabhupada. So basically, whatever Prabhupada is basically planned, so that we can, at least one of the things we can pray for lotus feet of Prabhupada, so that we can get mercy and continue Sankirtan. Thank you.
Okay. So you're saying you're praying at the lotus feet of Prabhupada for what, Prabhu?
To give a seva, what he was planned, Mataji.
The seva. What seva do you see that Prabhupada and Gurudev has given you in the service of Srila Prabhupada?
Yeah, there are so many sevas, Mataji. The Sankirtana one is the one I'm thinking is the topmost compared to any other seva.
Yeah, because our Gurujanas, they give us sevas. There is a, not really, it's not that one seva is better than another like that. Sankirtana, the Nama, we are all Namashraya Bhaktas. So this is by default. Taking the Ashraya of a Nama, unless we will not, otherwise we will not be able to sustain in Bhakti and get to Bhakti Abhasa. So that is for everybody, whoever is taking the initiation, the Nama Ashraya is there. When we take the Nama, our quality of Japa should come there. Like that. That is Nama Ashraya. And Sankirtana is, yes, when it is clear for us that this is my primary seva, that I'm getting from my Guru and Prabhupada, then yes, that becomes the primary seva, like that. So yeah, if that is what you see, Jai, then that is it, Prabhu. That is it. This particular primary seva, whatever primary seva it is, that is given to us, that we see, that is given to us, that primary seva has a lot of potency. This is what we hear in, Guru Vandana, like that. That seva that is given to us. Yes, there are many sevas. I like to do this seva. I will try to do my best. That is also good, wonderful hai. At least we are within the fence of Vaishnavas and seva is going on, very wonderful. But the next step that can really pull us out from the modes is that primary seva that is given to us and our dedication to that primary seva. It is in this seva that Gurudev gives us the darshan of Krishna. Like Gurudev gives us the darshan of Krishna in the Nama, it is this seva that is given by Guru and Prabhupada, whatever that is that we see that it is, that has that kind of potency. So like that. That potency is totally different. That is actually the real seva. But what is the real seva? It's not that the others are not real seva, but the other sevas are like seva abhasa. They belong to seva abhasa. Seva is happening, but it's not that it is really pulling out of the modes like that. But a seva that is given to us and we are committed to that, that will really pull us out of the modes. Aisa. Yes, Prabhu. Thank you, Prabhu. Thank you, Prabhu. Yes. And आपका माताजी, आप दोनों ज्योत्सना माताजी and माधवी सुंदरी माताजी, आप बोले कि you want to see that mercy, ऐसा ना? How do you think that will happen? what do you think you have to do for it? What do you think you have to do to be able to see?
Just lovingly remember Guru.
Kya Mataji?
Lovingly remember Guru and Krishna.
Ah.
That's how I think I can see their mercy.
Okay. So that's what you want to do. Lovingly remember Guru and Krishna, and as this seva given by Guru Krishna like that, because you are engaged in the seva. तो आप देख लेना, how will that be possible? How will that be visible? So आप भी Jyotsna Mataji, to be able to see money specifically, what is it that? So आप बोल रहे कि lovingly think of Guru and Krishna. That is good.
Because when I do that, I'll be able to remember the seva, and when I am in that seva, and you just mentioned that seva will bring me closer to Krishna.
Yes.
And that's how I think, Mataji, that when I remember, when I think, I honor, I do the seva, and that's where
Yes.
I see the mercy.
Yes. So that is the sankalpa, to remember, to
Yeah.
lovingly remember.
Lovingly remember, and that's how I'll be able to see that everything is
Yes.
flowing through their mercy.
Yes, that's the thing.
Yes.
So it's not that we are just going out and searching. That will be visible when we are lovingly remembering Guru.
Yes.
Yes, वो बात I wanted to bring it to your attention.
Yes.
So you you can be anchored there.
Yes, Mataji.
नहीं तो क्या होगा, ढूंढना हो जाएगा. How will I see? Where will I see? But you know how that will be visible.
Yes, Mataji.
ऐसा. Yes.
Thank you.
Perfect. Thank you. ज्योत्सना माताजी, आप कुछ बोलना है?
Mataji, I was thinking that I want to pause and pause and pause. I want to pause and see, open my eyes. I don't know that this is the only
I see.
thing I'm coming to my mind.
ठीक है. Yes. This is good. At least at this given point of time, ऐसा है आपका.
Yes.
देख लेना rest of the day and tomorrow also throughout the yatra,
Yes.
you will get the reciprocation.
Yes.
But at least you know where you stand and then what is coming up के तरफ. है ना?
ठीक है.
Yes.
Yes.
बढ़िया. Very good.
Thank you.
Yeah. So each one of us is anchored now for this whole yatra, today, tomorrow. Yeah. And Pranvaita Prabhu, आपको clear है. Yes, you are. And who else? Yeah. Up.
Haribol Mataji.
Yes, sir.
Mataji, for me, one thing is I'm just so grateful. Even the North Carolina, I kept thinking whether I'll be able to make it now. To be even just being seated over here in this, I look at it as big mercy for me, Mataji.
Yeah.
Every Sankirtan, for me, to be very honest, is till the last minute, I don't know if I will make it. Every time it's like that. So when I make it, but I somehow know that something happens, I observe. Somehow they bring me to and put me over here. Even this morning I was like, I don't know if I can make it. I'm not feeling that great. My body was like in one shape. But then I'm like, no, let me just keep going. Let me see if they'll take me. And I come and I sit. So that's a lot of mercy for me. But at the same time, my sankalpa what I'm trying to anchor it is the last Sankirtan we did in North Carolina when we were reading Harinam Chintamani. Somehow I feel that that's when it's sort of, when you ask this one question and none of us, you kept asking, what is it, something, and I none of us knew the answer, we were saying this and that and this. And then you said if I give the clue, then you'll all know the answer. And then after that, when you gave the clue, also we were a little clueless. And then you said, it is Ateva Nama Matra Vaishnavera Dharma.
Yeah.
So that stayed with me, and it has been there from then on. Every day in the morning also when you speak, I'm always connecting with that and trying to, yes, Vaishnavera Dharma is Nama, if that is my Dharma. And this morning you were saying, how, the whole 10th chapter when you were speaking, Krishna keeps saying, I'm there everywhere, I'm there in every atom, I'm there in between the atoms. Why am I not perceiving? And then I was like, but he's there in his Nama too. Where is my focus? What am I, so for me that is my I'm coming with that begging bowl.
Atayeva Nama Matra
Yes, Vaishnavera Dharma.
Yeah.
That is the begging bowl I'm coming with for this whole yatra.
South Carolina
Yes.
Sankirtana Yatra, begging bowl of
Begging bowl for
Vaishnavera Nama Vaishnavera Dharma.
Yes.
Wonderful to hear all of you have this personal prayers, sankalpas. That is wonderful. ऐसा होना है. Yes. Otherwise क्या होता है? Okay, we went there, it was good, all good, it's all good. But we'll get more when we have something like this inside. Sankalpa prayer. Anything else, dear devotees?
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hari Hari Ma.
For me, Mataji, Gurudev and Prabhupada, my mind will go here and there. Please put my mind. I'm praying, Mataji. I want to focus on your body, and this will be today and tomorrow with the Krishna Bhavana, Mataji. That's my prayer, Mother. I want to focus on your body to understand, and I want to be with Krishna Bhavana.
Yeah, Mataji. The beauty of Acharya Vani, Tattva Vani is it will place us in the Nama. It will keep us with Krishna with no separate effort. That is what the beauty of Tattva Vichar is. Tattva is like that. Para Vichar is like that. Why are we greatly attracted? 12 hours, 14 hours, ऐसे चलता रहता है कथा. Why are we greatly attracted? Because it is Tattva Vichar. It is not Apara Vichar. Tattva Vichar is that something we are hearing and it will never change. It will never change in any situation, in any life, in any circumstance. Aisa. So Acharya Vani is about Tattva Vichar. When Prabhupada is speaking, all purports are all Tattva Vichar. When there is a personal conversation and giving some personal examples to that time, place and circumstances, that can change according to the person and according to that particular place. That is Apara Vichar. So, Tattva Vichar, the Tattva will place us with Krishna. Yes, Mataji. That's all we need to do. Instead of the mind talk, the Tattva Vichar. It has to just go on, and then, yes, that will place us with Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. So, Krishna Bhavana through Tattva Vichar. Thank you.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hari Hari Ma.
I'm so grateful to Srila Prabhupada and Gurudev because of their instruction, and we are following all the things, but we want their mercy so that we can follow, we can read their books. So he has given all the lifetime for their books. So their purpose, we want to learn this and we have to go through, live the life with that. So I want to read this Prabhupada, all the books we want to try. But I need the mercy.
Yes, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you. Prabhupada books is all about Supreme Personality of Godhead Krishna and surrender into the Supreme Personality of Godhead Krishna. So every purport is like that. If we are not there yet to directly surrender, Prabhupada tells us how we should work for Krishna, how we should think of Krishna, like that. So, yeah, when we are reading from the Prabhupada purports, we want to hear from Acharya and we want to see how that can come into our practice every day. Yes, Mataji. Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Surrender into the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Yes. Thank you, Mataji. Thank you. ठीक है? That's all. Yes, Prabhu. Micah?
Hare Krishna. My prayer is like Shuddha Nama Bhajana Mataji and Shuddha Nama Sankirtana and Shuddha Prema Bhakti Bhava. So that is my prayer for Sankirtana. Thank you.
Thank you, Prabhu. The prayers and the sankalpas. Deepshika Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
हाँ. आपका प्रेयर क्या है?
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
हरे हरे.
Mataji, prayer. Just want to hear you, Mataji. Just want to spend this time in the incubation chamber, and I think that's how your eyes open. Like every time I hear you, there is one wow moment that makes me realize that अच्छा ये ऐसे भी हो सकता है. So I think it's just your Vani that I want to spend time with, and of course with the Gaurav Bhaktas, it's always so much of learning and unlearning. So that's all, Mataji, for me. As much as I can spend time in this incubation chamber, it's going to be mercy only.
What is it that is benefiting you from what you are hearing, ma'am? Anything in specific?
Mataji, I'm like able to hold myself a little. Before it was like that rajoguna, that gush. It's getting a little better, I would say. Little better. Like I can hold myself a little. Not there yet, but yes.
What exactly is helping you do that?
Mataji, hearing you.
क्या हो रहा है when you are hearing? How exactly is it helping?
Mataji, I keep those whatever instructions you give in your katha. I try to keep it with me, and whenever such situation arises, I just can think of that in that moment. I don't know how that happens, but that happens, and I have experienced that.
You think of that and you see that the gush comes down?
Yes.
Jai Mahatpada Rajobhishekam ki jai, jai, jai. Thank Thank you, Mataji. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Mataji.
See, when you say like this, you are reinforcing what I should be doing. So it's I should be doing in the sense I have to anchor myself as you are anchoring to what you are hearing. मैं वो करना है. I have to sustain in that hearing. And as you very wonderfully said, I don't have to do anything different. You said it very well, man. Special effort की ज़रूरत नहीं होगा. You here think it's not the way you are saying is it's not just okay. I'm hearing, I'm thinking, I will try. वो category नहीं है. सब पकड़ना ऐसे पकड़ना है कि वो हो जाता है.
मतलब सब नहीं पकड़ पाती हूँ माता जी, but at least कुछ तो हो रहा है, कुछ.
Right.
That's how I feel that the more time I spend with you, maybe ज़्यादा पकड़ पाऊँ.
This is what I try to do
My
too.
greed, माता जी.
Yeah. श्रवणम माने ऐसा पकड़ना है. Because हम लोग कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं होगा तब. तो माता जी, the way you are hearing, all those elements that you have with that Shravanam, that is your great asset, Mataji. बस आपको that will do the rest for you. But this particular point, when we are hearing something like that, when the quality of hearing is like that, in that mode, we don't need to put special effort. You hear like that and you will see that is happening. I mean, I'm just saying, if you go further, आप जहाँ पे हो, if you just get grounded in that place, ऐसा, then we will see that hearing itself makes everything happen. वो spot ऐसा है. हाँ माता जी. Yes, that's what I want to bring it to your attention.
Thank you, माता जी.
बढ़िया. Oh, I am meeting all the sadhus, and I know you are sadhus, and how much of all of you, when you are having this prayer and sankalpa, it's so wonderful to hear, dear devotees. So wonderful. You know, as specific as it is, then we will be able to see that it solidifies quickly. अगर specifically ऐसा होता तो very nice. Yes. That's all. Yeah. Anybody else? Duties? कुछ? Right.
Sankirtan or
Right.
darshan,
Right.
you know, the reading, whatnot, right?
Right.
So always we are in bhakti, you know, anxiety, like कहाँ पर जाना है, किधर
Right,
जाना है,
right.
कौन सा रास्ता सही है.
Right.
और भगवान को सुबह मैं 3 बजे पूछ रहा था भगवान को,
हाँ.
मेरे को कहाँ भेज रहा है, like now I have 3 way to go, can you please guide me, मेरे को किधर जाना है, मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा है. Like I was just praying for Krishna, like मेरे को सुबह तो उठा है, अभी उठने के बाद में 3 जगह पर जाना है, मेरे को 3 जगह पर कौन सा जगह में जाना है. Like always like this माता जी, किधर भी मैं जाता हूँ, like हर जगह में मेरे को इतना एंजाइटी हो जाता है, ये मिस नहीं करने का, वो मिस नहीं करने का, ये करने का, मेरे को सब चाहिए, सब आशीर्वाद चाहिए, सब मर्सी चाहिए, बट एक टाइम में एक ही कर सकता हूँ और 3-4 नहीं कर सकता हूँ. So how do we come out of this anxiety, Mataji? This is going on for me for every day.
Thank you for the question, Prabhu. The anxiety, material anxiety, is now spiritual anxiety because we started bhakti. There's a one step good, one step close to Krishna. Material anxiety has become spiritual anxiety. ऐसे होता है प्रभु. One step good, so that's one. What's next is your question.
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah. So this is a good anxiety though. I want this, I want this, I want this, I want this thing in bhakti, this is good. But this is general enthusiasm है. Enthusiasm है, you are wanting, that is enthusiasm. But where to go? this or that. Here comes here comes you when whatever comes from a spiritual authority, Guru. Guru is the one that knows us well. And if they give us a specific seva, then our enthusiasm is all geared in one place. ऐसा होता है. So, enthusiasm is good, that is there from our side. We are blessed with the enthusiasm, but unless it is focused on one thing, we can't get deeper. So this is general enthusiasm, just keeping us in the superficial layers of bhakti, on the ocean, on the top, in the bhakti, in the ocean on the top. But to get deeper in the ocean is a specificity is needed. So for you, from what you are asking is, there should be a specific seva that you see that it is given by Prabhupada and Guru. So when there are 3-4 things going on, and then you will not even think of where to go, because you are given this seva and by default you will be going there. ऐसा होना है. Like that, Prabhu. So whatever that is for you, that is given by Prabhupada and Gurudev, like that. Sometimes when we go to our Gurudevs and ask for any specific thing, they don't necessarily have to say specifically. Depending upon, they will see if we are ready or not. Because when some specific instruction comes like that from Gurudev, it will be disrespect for us if we don't follow it. So that's why they will not give also anything in specific when they see that we may not be able to stick on to it. But when something is clearly given as a specific instruction, we will know it. Then there is no confusion. Even if there is many things going on in bhakti, many things will happen. Even then there will be no confusion, because it is clearly this is given to me and this is my seva, and all the enthusiasm and time and everything will go there. Aisa. So, and for some of us, first thing is we may not be able to know what that specific thing is. Then what is it from within? See, sometimes our Gurudevs are far and they may have many disciples. We may not have direct connection with Gurudev to ask for specific service like that. Then what will it be? Then from within, when we offer a prayer to Gurudev, then it will be clear to us that this is a specific service hai, aisa. So that will happen from within us. What is that specific service? So when that happens within you, Prabhu, it will get clear to you from within that this is what Gurudev and Prabhupada wants. ऐसा आपको clear हो जाता है. Then you will go only to that will be the priority seva for you. ऐसा होता है, Prabhu. So this is something that happens from within. Is that helpful, Prabhu?
Yes, Mother. Thank you so much, Mother. Oh, still, I have one question. So you said Gurudev doesn't not necessarily like every time he gives a direction.
Yeah.
But like let's say we ask 1,000,000 times,
Yeah.
but he gives only one time.
Right.
That's what we need to remember
Right.
to continue that seva until he comes back and gives other seva. Is
Yeah.
that right, Mother?
Yeah. If that's how you are seeing it, this is what Gurudev wants, yes, I will, then that is right. Yes. So that connection, that faith, and what is it coming from inside naturally? Oh, hey, Prabhu. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Yes, Prabhu. Yeah. Hari Hari.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
I just wanted to add more to Deepshika Mataji's comments or her realization.
Yeah.
So Mataji said that gush is coming at least little bit down when
Yeah.
we hear the Vani.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I can also relate to that, Mataji. I just want to add. It may be different for little, is different for different devotees, but I remembering your Vani, like probably for listening to your Vani from last 4-5 years, and it really true. I want to second Mataji's comment that even though we hear something years ago, Mataji, it comes to our mind on a different situation. That is the mercy I feel. And when you say that always like Kramahina Shravana Dasa to Krama Shuddha Shravana Dasa, so when we hear, connect to the specific advanced devotee, and that will really bring the change in us, Mataji. So that's what I understood, Mataji, and we are very grateful for your Vani and the descending mercy coming through you to all of us. Thank you so much, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Yeah. Thank you, Prabhu. Krishna arranges for all the devotees. Somehow he arranges whatever is there. Yes, Prabhu. Thank you. And anybody else?
Hare Krishna Mataji, my pranams to you.
Paluke Bangaramayena Kodanda Pani Paluke Bangaramayena Paluke Bangaramaye Pilachina Paluka Vini Kalaloni Namasmarana Maruva Chakani Tandri Paluke Bangaramayena. Sharla Shivam Prabhu.
Thank you.
Ramadasa. Your other name is Ramadasa Prabhu. Sri Ramadasa.
So Mataji, main in this Sankirtan, even earlier Sankirtan also. So main you are with your Vani. My faith on the Nama is increasing. So which I aspire.
Prabhu, I can't hear you. Is it only me?
It's not connecting. Can you
Yeah, for you also, na? There is some. I feel like, there is something opening here and it's just in my ears. So much? As if a window is open.
थोड़ा कम कर दो अगर ऊंचा कर
Maybe next time a different van, Prabhu, next time.
Hare Krishna.
थोड़ा वॉल्यूम कम कर दो
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yes, Prabhu. This is better.
Yeah.
Yes, Prabhu. Thank you. Yeah.
Yes, Mataji. So, as like in other Sankirtans also, so with your Vani, my faith on the Nama is increasing. So, which I look forward to more and more fixed in the Nama Nishtha. And also, as you said, so it's not only it's not only in the heart, but we should express also. So that's what we go out and sing. So that way, our both our Nama inside, Nama outside is happening, Mataji. Thank you.
Yes, Prabhu. Yes, Prabhu. Thank you. Thank you. Namanishta. Mataji, you want to say something? Madhurya Bhakti Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Pranams.
As for the request, I'm not qualified as Bhakti Mataji first. Have to for Guru and Krishna mercy. Have so many opportunities for seva. All are things Mataji. First my prayers Mataji. Pray to Krishna and Guru. We seva nila engage lone unchaman first నేను pray చేస్తున్నా Mataji. But Sankalpa is
Yes.
Last bench is
What was it?
Our bench is Nishta bench.
So we all on the same goal. Namanista.
Next. Yeah. Thank you, Mataji.
If you want Nishta, come to last bench.
Can't hear you.
Mataji, they are saying if you want Nishtha, come to the last bench.
If you see fight, Mataji, then you understand why it is happening for the last bench.
Namanishta. Shri Harinam Prabhu ki jai. Yes, dear. Thank you. Mataji, you want to say something? Padmapri Mataji, is there anything in specific for you? Any prayer, sankalpa for the South Carolina Yatras? Maybe later? Take it. Okay. I've asked you all, dear devotees, honestly, I'm thinking now, Meri kya hai? This is an opportunity for me, so I'm seeing what's coming up. Probably Mataji, me also, maybe later. I'm surprised it's what is my sankalpa.
Everybody's. Label it Mataji's sankalpa. Take it.
I just don't want to give some answer. When it gets consolidated inside, I will share the devotees if that's okay with you. Yeah. But I think the reason it's not really coming up because is it is already happening. I think that's why it is already happening. It's not that I am looking forward for something to happen. It is already happening. So then what do I do? What do I do? Definitely honor. Honor and relish, honor and relish, honor and relish, honor and relish. That's all I can say. So my sankalpa is to just honor and relish what is already happening. And I think that's all I can say now. Yes. Is that okay, dear devotees? Yes. Yeah? I am amazed to see what has happened, to see what is coming. I don't know if you remember, dear devotees, in the very beginning also I said, the causeless mercy has come. And after some days, first of all, mercy hua. We said, okay, this is mercy. And after that, causeless mercy. A loving causeless mercy. Yeah, loving causeless mercy hai. Very forgiving hai, but a loving causeless mercy that has come to stay. Oh, that's when I was like, oh, so this has come to stay, and I didn't know how is it coming, staying means it has to manifest in some form because it is staying with us. So it's just taking its course. It is staying with us and it is taking its course. It is not going anywhere but is taking us.
Right.
taking us to wherever it is going. I guess this is where I am. A loving, causeless mercy has come to stay, not just get stagnated. It is going and it is taking us. And I see, I don't know if you are all seeing or not, I see that it is really taking very sincere souls. I am not saying perfected souls. Who am I to say about perfect? लेकिन yearning है souls में. And so that is what is happening. So it's flowing. And my prayer is I just flow. My prayer is to just for this mercy to take me wherever it flows. I think that is where I am. I think that is where it is evolving to. I do not know. We didn't know that it was, the causeless mercy is coming. It came, and it is staying, and it is flowing. So ऐसा है. So मेरी है to simply honor and cherish this causeless, loving, causeless mercy, and pray that it just takes me wherever it is. I just want to be there. That's all. That's all I think. वो मेरी है. Thank you, dear devotees. Our thinking pattern, our everything is so limited actually. On a plane of doership, either one needs encouragement or they will be intimidated. On a plane of doership, these two things happen. Oh, did I do so much? Oh, will I be able to do so much? क्या है? Did you really do so much? वो doership है. And immediately there is intimidation. Oh, will that happen again? As if you did something. ये सब doership का इतना है. Only there, those dynamics are different. On a platform of doership, it's a duality है वहाँ पे. Doership में duality है. But there is a different platform. See, I'll give you this example. This is the incubation chamber. Sankirtan van है ना? This is the incubation chamber. We did nothing. This chamber is so merciful that it allowed us to come sit here. And then the jet wash was going on. That's all has happened. And when say, oh, the whole North Carolina, 100 counties, etc., that's how you are seeing. That's why you are saying incredible, amazing. That's what you are seeing, that you are saying. वो अलग बात है. But I don't have to get stuck on that platform. That is a very imprisoning platform hai, even if it is called an accomplishment. But there is a different platform where if this incubation chamber is taking straight to the moon now, not South Carolina, straight to moon. Forget about anywhere in the US like that. क्या फर्क पड़ता है? So when we are caught up with the externals, then वो button turn on होता है. क्या practical, क्या नहीं practical, ये होएगा नहीं है. That is all the doership platform है. So this is a plain example. We are here as of now. If this incubation chamber decides to just get on to the moon, what will be your feeling now? क्या बोल रहे हैं अब? क्या बोलना है? घर में बोलना है क्या? ने moon के मैया, we want to do Sankirtan in moon and come back. Can we go? They will drop unconscious there. ये क्या है? States भी नहीं है अब. So I am giving you this example. Yeah, are you ready? ऐसे ही हो जाएगा. to the moon, to the Shweta Deepa. Ready? I don't know if, I have to see my bricks. I haven't placed my bricks yet, huh? Bricks place karna hai. And I don't know if this will happen, that will. Ye calculation hai yaar, are you ready? It's not that something has to happen outside.
Holding the steering wheel like, I'm going to take off like right now. We're going. Road will fly. As he said ready, I felt like, yes, now this becomes a rocket. We're just propelling up.
Oh, you ठीक है Mataji? Are you ready?
Yes!
Ready to Shweta Dvipa. Shri Shri Panchatattva की जय. ये है ना, ये बात है. कंडीशनिंग माने कहाँ है या ऐसे कभी हम लोग जाते तो प्रभु for you an apparent family package, for us also they will think वहाँ पे ये deal क्या है, we want to go there too. So our family package is also in progress, Prabhu. You may not be able to see. I don't want to Gramya Katha हो जाएगा, but it is like this. It is like this. The family members, all of our family members, they had their fears, doubts, fears, all that. For a reason they have it. But when we are clear about what we want and heading in that direction, things will change outside. ये faith हमको होना है. हमारे faith को देखो उनका faith आना है. It's not that I hold my bead bag and I don't know how things will happen. You should also chant. So, ऐसा होना है. So it's all very much internal hai. So moon be ready or not? How am I? How ready am I internally is a question. ये moon में होता है gas डालना है, or if it's a different fuel is a different thing. But it's about the internal thing. That's what I'm try to bring it to attention. Yeah. So, shall we go for Edi Prabhupada Naihota? Yeah. And after that, maybe all of you dear devotees, if there is something for japa, yes, yeah. After Edi Prabhupada Naihota. Thank you for posting, Mataji. Please continue to post.
Mataji, I have a question, Mataji.
Mataji, Jyotsna Mataji has a question.
Yes, please, yeah.
1 second.
Mataji?
Yes, ma'am.
So, any service to come to the non-doer platform, in this, like one decides that it's not his mind, but it is from, it's coming from the upper platforms.
Yes.
It will be, the deciding factor will be that Guru given Seva, Mataji?
It will be. I'm doing this seva because this was given to me. And this will happen, this has to happen.
Because it is Guru given seva, right?
Yeah, because we are accepting a higher authority.
Yeah.
Not because I want to do it.
Yes.
Yes,
Right.
yes, Mataji.
Okay.
That's the difference.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mataji.